Good afternoon, Professor Sharma.
Good afternoon. I'm here to support you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Humanistic Management Network is growing significantly. This clearly indicates the increasing acceptance of humanism as a driver of global development philosophy. Further, it is a matter of great pleasure for me to note the developments. As Shiv Tripathi already mentioned, the India chapter of Humanistic Management Network was launched at CMR University on 2nd October 2018 during its 6th Humanistic Management Network Global Conference.
That the new education policy 2020 recently has been announced by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. The whole objective of the policy is to transform the Indian education system. And there are a lot of dimensions the policy has come up.
If NEP is executed in 100% as it strives to, in that case, we will have something like a Ram Rajya. If you go back to the Indian culture, Ram Rajya was a time when everybody was happy.
So it is like, for example, since I joined this University of Lucknow, we went in for a major revamp of entire curriculum, and today I claim it to be the finest postgraduate curriculum across programs in the entire country, where this flexibility approach we initiated. That is, first, the 100% program is on credit system, not just credit system, but also uniform credit for all the postgraduate program. What in our institution we did was, it is 96 credit.
In fact, many changes not been made, but they have been reframed.
As far as India is concerned, so skill education has never been looked at the education, which is very, very important. So the lot of people who were skilled, but their skill was not being certified.
So they talk about even two students with the same disabilities, like their learning capacities will be different. So NEP very beautifully talks about one-to-one teacher, that is one teacher for one student, and it also talks about peer tutoring, because research have proved that if we are having one teacher teaching a multiple student, and if the students are learning in a group, the latter is more effective.
Many of the engineers are also wanting and setting up their own ventures. I think if they have some knowledge about economics also, or how to run the business, that kind of knowledge absolutely will come handy when they start something on their own.
Gender Inclusion Fund is there for the development of girl child. And very interesting part which has been included in this policy is the 360-degree holistic progress card that will be maintained for each child throughout the period of school education, which is extremely, extremely important even after a child changes their school.